Chapter 7. Okay. These are inside question. Inside question, these are. You just have to write the answer. Answer you will get, but not now. Right now, write only answer. No need to write the question, student. You just have to write the answer. And don't raise your hand unnecessarily. You just have to write the answers. What are pakka? What are pakka houses? What is a STILT? Stilt. This is your classwork. As I said yesterday that today will give you few inside questions. Let me check. You are studying or not? Write the name of 3 portable houses. Write the name of 3 portable houses. Next, what is a home? What is a home? What is a home? Next, what is roof? What is roof? All answers are there in your book. As I'm giving you first time, you can write the answer from your book. Okay, yes, you are writing answer first time, you can write the answer from your book. In that case, you have to find out the answer. Okay, you have to find out the answer by yourself. Though I will give you study material and answer of all these questions, but first time you have to find out from your book. What is roof? And why does sunlight important for our house? Why does sunlight important for our house? Why does sunlight important for our house? Okay, will not give you more question. Write down only this. What are pakka houses? What is a stilt? Write the name of 3 portable houses. What is a home? What is roof? And why does sunlight important for our house? These are inside questions. Write only answer as you will get the question. Yes, Irene.
Ma'am, I cannot write.
Why?
Ma'am, my finger is injured. See, ma'am?
Okay, then what to do? Okay, oh my God. Okay, Irene, I'm asking you, tell me, what is a stilt?
What is a stilt? A stilt house is a restructure
Okay,
that is used.
Okay, Irene, do one thing. I'm giving you 10 minutes. Okay, write the answer of this question. Then after 10 minutes, we'll ask you. As you cannot write, so definitely I will ask you. Okay, so everyone today, as Irene is not writing, so today Irene will only tell me the answer. Okay. Okay, Irene, open your book and study this question. Afrin, yes, tell me. Yes, Afrin. Any problem? Unmute your device.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম বলছি যে আপনি আনমিউট করে রাখেন তো অনেক সময় প্রবলেম হয়ে যায় যে ও ধরুন কিছু বলতে চাইছে তো সেটা বলতে পারে না। কালকে ও আপনি ব্যাম্বু স্পেলিং লিখেছিলেন তো ও এটা বলতে চাইছিল যে বি ইউ লিখেছিলেন তো এটা বলতে চাইছিল যে বি এ হবে, কিন্তু আপনাকে অনেকক্ষণ ধরে ডাকছিল কিন্তু আপনি বুঝতেই পারেনি।
ওকে, দ্যাট ক্যান হ্যাপেন। ওকে,
হ্যাঁ, কোনো আনসার বলতে চাইলেও ও বলতে পারে না।
Okay, okay, Afrin, hand raise করবে, definitely will unmute you. Actually, at a time 30
কালকে আমি হ্যান্ড রেজও করেছিলাম কিন্তু সবাই যেহেতু হ্যান্ড রেজ করেছিল তো ওটাও বুঝতে পারেননি।
Yes, that is why I said all the time that if you are having any problem or question, then only try to raise your hand. Most of the cases what happen,
কালকেও ক্যামেরা
সেই জন্যই সবাইকে
সামনে অনেকক্ষণ হাত নেড়ে আপনাকে ডাকছিল।
এবার 37 এবার 38 স্টুডেন্ট কি হয়, বেশিরভাগ দিনই 30 স্টুডেন্টই হ্যান্ড রেজ করে থাকে। কিসের জন্য না, কমপ্লিটেড, জাস্ট টু সে কমপ্লিটেড। সেই জন্য আমি বারবার বলি যাদের ক্লাসে প্রবলেম থাকবে, মানে কোনো জিনিস লিখিয়ে দিয়েছি সেটা বুঝতে পারছো না আর কিছু ইনফর্ম করতে চাইছো, তাহলে বুঝতে পারবো হ্যাঁ তোমার প্রবলেম আছে তাই তুমি হ্যান্ড রেজ করছো। হ্যান্ড রেজের একটা মিনিং থাকা দরকার তো। So সবাই শুনতে পাচ্ছ, you can understand that Afrin also face the same problem, you can also face the same problem, though I সবসময় চেষ্টা করি সবাইকে আনমিউট করতে। ওকে, সো তোমাদেরও কিছু নিয়ম মেনে চলতে হবে, তবেই ঠিকঠাক রিপ্লাই পাবে। ওকে আফরিন, so from today unnecessary don't raise your hand, just no need to inform me only that ma'am I have completed, don't do this. If you are having any question, then only raise your hand, otherwise not. Ashna, na, this is your class and someone else is doing it for you, I can see. From today I'm strictly telling you, don't raise your hand. If you have completed, sit quietly, because every day I check your copy. Each and every student's copy will be checked by me, so don't worry. And yes, Afrin, you said yes, bamboo spelling we can also write as bamboo, B-A-M-B-O-O, bamboo. We can also write it bamboo, as it is proper noun. We can also write bamboo, B-U-M-B-O-O, like this we can also write. Okay, B-A-M-B-O-O, bamboo is the modern spelling. Okay, so we can write any one of them. Okay, acha. Pratyusha, Arhan, Shoncha, let me ask. Just let me check. Yes, Pratyusha, say.
ম্যাম আমি প্রত্যুষা ঘোষের মা বলছি। হ্যালো ম্যাম।
Any problem?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, বলছি যে ওর ওই এই সেম প্রবলেমই হয় যে ও কিছু বলতে চাইলেও মানে কোনো আপনাদের
No, actually Pratyusha is having lot of network problem, ma'am. I check most of the time I face, but I can remember that in my classes in Pratyusha's matter I can say that Pratyusha কে আমি আনমিউট করি কিন্তু কি হয় ওর দিক থেকে কোনো সাউন্ড আমি পাই না, আর সেটা আমি বুঝতেও পারি ওর কিছু করার নেই, ওর ভিডিওটা তখন মানে স্টিল হয়ে যায়, ওর ভয়েসটা আসে না। আমি ওকে বলেওছি যে মাইক্রোফোনটার আওয়াজটার জন্য। এটা কিন্তু মানে সবার ক্ষেত্রে যে বলবো না হ্যান্ড রেজ করছে আমি উত্তর দিই না, এটা একদমই হয় না। আমার ক্লাসে চেষ্টা করি সবার সাথে রোজই কথা বলার, সো সেই জন্য
হ্যান্ড রেজ করলে উত্তর দেওয়ার ব্যাপারটা নয়, ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে ও যখন নিজেকে আনমিউট করতে চায় তা আপনার মানে হোস্টরা সেটাকে মিউট করে রাখে, যেটা ও আনমিউট করতে পারে না। অন্যরা সবাই আনমিউট করছে নিজেকে, আপনারা বারবার রিপিটেডলি মিউট করার পরেও নিজেকে কিছু ভাবে আনমিউট করে, কিন্তু
ও হ্যাঁ ওটা ম্যাম করতে পারবে না, ওটা নেটওয়ার্কটা যদি ডিস্টার্ব করে ওই সময় করতে পারবে না।
ম্যাম নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম কি করে হবে? আমার তো 4G মারা আছে প্লাস আমার ওয়াইফাই চলছে।
ওকে ম্যাম, ওকে ওকে যেদিন নেটওয়ার্ক এরকম ডিস্টার্ব করবে আপনি রেকর্ডেড ভিডিও চেক করে নেবেন, বাট অলওয়েজ প্রত্যুষা হ্যান্ড রেজ করো, চেষ্টা করবো সমস্ত প্রবলেম সলভ করতে। ওকে
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
ওকে, আমি ওই জন্যই বারবার বলি যে যখন প্রবলেম থাকবে হ্যান্ড রেজ করবে, কারণ 32-35 স্টুডেন্ট হ্যান্ড রেজ করে আছে, কি বলতে জাস্ট অনলি টু সে ম্যাম কমপ্লিটেড এটা বলতে। সো এরকম এটা কেউ করবে না, আর প্রবলেম থাকলে অবশ্যই ক্লাসে বলবে, রিপিটেডলি ইউ ক্যান টেল মি। ইয়েস আরহান।
Ma'am, question complete.
Question complete. I said to write the answer, not copy the question. Arhan, you have written only question. I said
Answer writing.
answer writing. Yes, write only answer. See, I have written write only answers. Write only answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See, you need to read the proper instruction. Yes, Sanchayan, say.
Second question. Steel.
What is a
steel?
okay?
Ma'am,
Speak in English, Sanchayan. Speak in English. Okay. I'm telling you the answer. Okay. Open page 30 from your SST book. Open page 30. Open.
Hello,
no
ma'am.
problem. Shanchan, what is your book? Shanchan, open your book. I'm talking to you. Open page 30 from your SST book. What is your book, Shanchan? Open it by yourself. বইটা ওপেন করো সঞ্চয়ন।
Ma'am, what is?
I am understand.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Now you understand. Okay, good. Now tell me the answer. Read out from your book. Read out from your book. Tell me.
Yes, steel house is the
Rest. Structure.
Structure that is most commonly built above water or muddy land. Built above water or muddy land.
land.
Okay, good. Now write it down. Acha, yes, Bornabbo. Kindly drop your hand, student. Drop your hand if I have solved your problem. Acha, Bornabbo, say.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Bornabbo, what I said just now. Say. There is a rule. আমি এক্ষুনি বলেছি কারুর কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেলে হ্যান্ড রেজ করবে না। It's creating lots of problems. See how many students are doing class. Let me check. 34 স্টুডেন্ট কমপ্লিটেড হয়ে গেলে যদি হ্যান্ড রেজ করে কি হয় বলো তো, কার সত্যিকারের প্রবলেম হয়েছে সেটা বোঝা যাবে না। 35 কে এট এ টাইম মিউট করা তো পসিবল নয়। সো পড়াবো এবার থেকে ক্লাসে একটা নিয়ম ঠিক করলাম, ঠিক আছে? কি নিয়মটা হচ্ছে class ended last 10 minutes আমি copy check করব, okay, each and every class. So when I will tell you that now show me your copy, that time you can show me your copy, okay? No need to raise your hand. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. If you have completed, recheck your copy. Every time recheck your copy 2 times. Yes, Ashna?
Ma'am, দুয়েকটা বুঝতে পারছি না।
Why are you speaking in Bengali repeatedly? Don't you want to talk in English? Don't you want to talk in English? What is a stilt? Open page 30. Open page 30. Open page 30. Look at the treat bit box. Look at the treat bit box and it is written. A stilt is a house, gray structure. It is written, no? Stilt house is a gray structure that is most commonly built above water or muddy land. It is in page 30 of your SST book. Got it, Ashna?
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now write down the answer. Rihan? Yes, Rihan. Unmute your device. Speak in English, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, 4 question ना बोल दीजिए ना, ma'am.
This is what? Which type of English this is? Question number 4. What is a home?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? It was your classwork and you should find out the answer. What is a home? I will not tell you the answer. I can tell you the page number, but you have to find out, okay? Open page 29. Page 29. See, it is written. The house in which we live is called our home. The house in which we live is called our home. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the house in which we live is called our home. Don't worry. All the answer you will get through study material. Yes, Afrin.
হ্যালো ম্যাম।
Yes.
হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ ম্যাম বলছি ওর এই ফোনেতে 2% চার্জ হয়ে গেছে, তো ওর কাজটা হয়ে গেছে, একটু দেখে নিলে ভালো হতো।
Okay, but I can't see Afrin because her video is off. Maybe for the network problem, video ta off হয়ে গেছে. Okay, now I can see you. Okay, Afrin, if it is completed, show me your copy. Okay. Acha, come little bit closer to the camera. Come little bit closer. Acha, Afrin, tell me, what is roof?
What is roof?
What is roof?
A roof. Covering on top of a house.
Okay, good. Okay, very good, Afrin. Okay, if you want, you can leave. Achha. Let me ask one by one. Armin, are you writing? Acha, Bornabo, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Arvika. Acha, 1 minute, Arvika. 1 minute. Bornabo, tell me. Armin?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, if you have completed, drop your hand, Armin. Acha, Bornabo, tell me, why does sunlight important for our house?
sunlight is very important. Sunlight is very important because it kills germs in the house.
Very good. Very good. Acha. Before, acha, Tirasha, yes.
Ball.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Acha. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Tirasha, tell me, what are Pakka houses?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What are Pakka houses? Zubaidul, wait,
What?
I'm talking to you.
Some houses are made of brick,
Very good,
cement,
Ashna. Keep it down.
iron, steel, etc. These houses are called Pakka house.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, Zubaidul. Yes, Zubaidul, unmute your device. Any problem, Zubaidul?
I have not completed.
Okay, okay. You are having 10 minutes. Do properly, okay? Take your time. Acha. Arvika, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Arvika, tell me the name of 3 portable houses.
Houseboat, tent, caravan.
Yes, very good. Wait, Shivani? Yes. Tell me. After that,
Yes,
we ask Irene. Acha, tell me, what is a home?
হোম কাকে বলে বলো? What is home?
The
What? জোরে বলো।
where we live together is called home.
Where we live together. Acha, where we live together is called home. I'm asking you, if we live together in a forest, can we say it is a home? No. So the house where we live, you can write, yes, you are right. Very good answer, but you need to start that the place or the place where we live together, or you can also write the house where we live together is called our home. Okay, you should write the word house. The house where we live together. Okay, very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Acha. Irene, tell me,
Yes, ma'am.
what is a stilt? Same question that I asked.
A steel house is a raised structure that is most common built as a water or muddy land.
Okay, very good. Srishti, why are you crying, Srishti? Each and every class I found you crying. Acha, Srishti, if you are a slow writer, if you are writing slowly, no problem, no problem. I'm telling you, no problem. Write slowly, no problem. Write slowly. Enjoy whatever you are doing. আনন্দ করে লেখো। ঠিক আছে, তাতে যদি দুটো হয় দুটোই লিখে দেখাও। Don't worry. Okay. Very good, very good. Be happy always. Very good. Rajdhi, see, Rajdhi is looking very cute. Okay. Acha. Srishti, tell me the answer of question number 5. See, tell me, what is roof? What is roof? Can you tell me what is roof?
On top of a house.
Okay, very good. The next one is busy with doing something else. Let me ask to her. Oishani.
Yes, ma'am.
Oishani, Your question is which one? Which one should I ask you? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one?
Two. Number
Two.
2 question.
Okay, very good. Say. Mushina, Raisha, wait.
Stilt houses are built on elevated platforms.
Okay, okay. Good. But also mention on above muddy land. Okay. Good answer. You try to cover the answer within one sentence. That is good. No problem.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Ashna, wait. I said don't raise your hand. Student, don't raise your hand. Yes, Mushina.
Please tell me 3.
3. Write the name of 3 portable house. Portable mean movable house. Houseboat, tent and caravan. Houseboat, tent and caravan. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, write it down. Yes, Raisha. Raisha, tell me. Unmute your device. Raisha, unmute your device. Okay, student, those who have completed, show me your copy. One by one. Arshi, Oishani. Very good. Arshi, completed. Okay. Arvika, very good. Shivangni, Himadri, Rashi, Tirasha, Orgopal is also crying. Tirasha, very good. Himadri, your copy. Let me ask one question to Himadri as he is very silent. Himadri, tell me what is roof?
A roof is the covering top of a house.
Very good, very good. Achha. Rashi, show me your copy. The remaining student will ask by me next day, Monday. Don't think, ma'am, don't ask us. Don't think that. Rashi, Shivangni, Orgopal. Achha, take your time. Armin, Pratusha, Srishti. Okay, Armin. Achha. Let me ask to Armin also. Armin, unmute your device. I'm having only 3 minutes, okay? Armin, can you hear me? What is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
home? What is a home? Very good.
House.
Home.
Home. What is the home?
What is a home?
A place where I live.
A place where we live. The house. The house where we live. The house where we live is called a home. Okay. Home. Why home? Home means body. Okay. Home means body. So the place where we live means if you live in a field, if you live in a forest, can you tell it is our home? No. Home means jeta body. Body ke home boli. Okay. You should say the house where we live. Acha. Shamprikta, Arhan, Pratusha, kindly show me your copy. Shagni, Ayush, Shomodi, Mandeep, Nishan, Deeptha. 2 minutes I'm having. Completed. Ayush. Very good. Acha. Shagni, Mandeep, Deeptha will ask by me Monday. Okay? Okay, Mandeep. Very good. Very good, Ayush. Deeptha, Nishan, Shagni, Shampriti, Ifra, Mehrab, Arshi, Shampriti, very good. Very good, Irfa. Nice handwriting. Ifra. अच्छा Mehrab. Okay. Good. अच्छा next. Ashna, very good. Arohi, Choyonika, kindly switch on your video. How I will check your copy? Choyonika and Arohi. Very good, Irfa. Okay. Shagni, Nishan, completed? Okay, good, very good. Successfully, you have completed within time. Achha. Anyone else? Rajdi? Rajdi, Sanchayan, completed? Okay, very good. Zubaidul, Mushina, Shamprikta. Also Shamprikta, nice handwriting. Very good, Rajdi, Zubaidul, Mushina. And Achha. Okay, Rajdi, good.